Hello everyone, in this video we'll make a shape like this. Once you open Blender, press A to select all, X to delete, and delete. 1 for front view, Shift A to get this menu, Mesh, and select Circle. Come here, align to View, and reduce the count of vertices to 6. Tab for edit mode, F to fill, I to inset, X to delete the face. Come to modifiers, add modifier, generate, array, increase the count, A to select all, Shift D to duplicate and move it away. Hold Shift, deselect this vertex and reselect it. Come to snipping, active vertex. G to move. In order to snap, hold the control and we'll snap it here. A to select all, M to merge, so we can merge the 4 vertices here. And to do that, select them all by pressing A, M to merge by distance. So as you can see here, remove 2 vertices. And these became, instead of 4, became 2. So now come to the array, tick the merge, and go back to the factor X and hold the shift key and drag this number closer and closer here to snap. Now it snapped, so no gaps are there. For me the number is 0.670 and we need to go up this time, and for that we need another array, add modifier, generate array. Make sure the merge is ticked. Come to factor, X is 0, Y is 1. Hold shift key and drag the Y closer. This time for me the number is 0.860, but as you can see these vertices did not merge. So come to the merge, increase the distance, and now as you can see the gaps went away, so they got merged. Increase the count as you want, right, and give it some depth, and for that E to extrude, and extrude as much as you want, and that's it. You have this 3D shape. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.